Hello and welcome to this Pharma Spotlight summary of the latest data and trends in pharma and biotech deal-making. I'm here. We had a huge surge of activity in the first quarter of 2025 with more big pharma deals with biotechs, bigger average deal sizes, and more licensing deals as the industry continues to seek ways to diversify pipelines, access breakthrough technologies, and share clinical and regulatory risks. In this context, big pharma is increasingly partnering with smaller biotechs which have innovative science but lack the resources to advance it. These strategic collaborations are focused on late preclinical and clinical stage assets. This is a critical moment for many innovations. It is what we refer to as the valley of death, where most exciting discoveries never make it to market. This is mainly due to a lack of funding and the high cost of taking a drug through the lengthy and expensive clinical trial process. To avoid this fate, companies are turning to clinical trials abroad, outsourcing to global markets that can execute trials faster and more cost-effectively, while also providing access to larger and more diverse patient pools. And this trend has only accelerated in recent years. Here are the top countries for clinical trials abroad. This list is based on recent trends with the share of global trials conducted in each country over the past 5 years. Number 1. China. Between 2019 and 2023, the share of global trials conducted in China rose by 57%, going from 9.7% to 15%. China's emergence as a global leader in clinical research is driven by its cost-effective execution and access to a vast patient population. Number 2. Germany. Since 2008, Germany has hosted approximately 22,215 clinical trials. Germany's strength lies in its robust pharmaceutical R&D ecosystem. No. 3. France. With around 30,080 clinical trials since 2008, France has a thriving clinical trial landscape with a particular focus on oncology and infectious diseases. Number 4. Canada. With approximately 24,581 clinical trials since 2008, Canada's strong academic infrastructure and cost advantages make it a popular destination for clinical trials. Number 5. The United Kingdom. With about 21,163 clinical trials since 2008, despite regulatory delays, the UK remains a key player in global research. Number 6. Japan. Japan is known for its regulatory rigor and specialization in oncology trials. Number 7. India. India is rapidly expanding its early-phase trial capacity while maintaining cost efficiency. Number 8. Spain. With increased government investment and simplified trial processes, Spain has overtaken Germany in some clinical trial metrics. Number 9. South Korea. South Korea benefits from strong governmental backing and high-quality infrastructure. In terms of patient participation in clinical trials over the past 5 years, the United States has consistently led the way, contributing about 35% of global clinical trial participants. Europe's share, however, has declined from 22% in 2013 to 12% in 2023. Other key contributors include Poland, Germany, and Russia, each with about 4% of global trials. Japan, Canada, and the Czech Republic each contribute around 3%. Notably, France, India, the UK, Spain, Brazil, Argentina, South Korea, and China have each participated in 1 to 2% of global trials. The trend of outsourcing clinical trials is clear, and the destinations are shifting. Emerging markets like China and India are now preferred for their cost efficiency and patient accessibility. The industry is clearly moving away from solely relying on domestic clinical trial infrastructure. Instead, there's a strategic move to leverage global talent and resources to de-risk R&D, cross the valley of death, and ultimately bring innovative therapies to patients worldwide. Thank you for watching this episode of the Pharma Spotlight. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest in pharma and biotech deal making. You can also connect with us on social media. Until next time, stay informed. Stay connected and stay inspired.